Hello everyone, my name is Alina and today we will have an unusual series. So we have two cars simultaneously and one of them is stock. So today we will compare two BMW X6 G06 and one of them, of course, will be with our Larte Design Bodykit. Sounds interesting? Let's start! Ten main parts which are included in our Larte Performance body kit, made from 100% carbon fiber. Hood, splitter, grille trim, trims on the air intakes, mirror caps, rims, diffuser with additional brake lights and twin exhaust tips, spoiler top, spoiler low. The most huge part in the set is the hood. The stock part looks flat, no motions, while the hood in Larte Design, powerfully embossed, hawkish air intakes provide more dynamics to BMW X6, while the stock part has no air intakes at all and looks boring. From the inside, these two parts look exactly the same. We have remained the factory design. So this hood will be installed instead of the original one, maintaining all the original gaps and clearance. So look at the hood with Larte Design and the stock one. Which one do you like more? The exterior of the BMW with Larte Design is more swift and aggressive, while the stock part is heavily weaker than the hood in Larte Design. It's very important to know that our hood have received the Teile Gutachten certificate, which means that the hood meets all the standards of the German certifying authority TÜV. This document confirms the aerodynamic properties of the part and operational safety for both car passengers and pedestrians. It was tested on the speed of 300 km per hour and in the control center, and these tests have been passed successfully. The front bumper splitter consists of 4 parts and adds the missing aggressiveness to the front view of the BMW X6. And here we can try our front bumper overlay on the stock car and you will easily see the difference. So the only thing that won't change is the clearance of the car. So our part does not lower it and the installation is really easy. It is installed with the help of the structural sealant and some special clips. We did not change the shape of the grille, we just made it from carbon fiber. It's a trademark feature of BMW. We did the same with the mirror caps. So here you can see the mirror caps in M composition style. We just made them from carbon fiber. Looks really cool and installation just take 20 minutes. Trims on the air intakes with this interesting design and aggressive fins are installed instead of the original ones. And this small part completely changes the mood of the whole car. We put forged lightweight trims of 22 diameters in our Larte Design style in gloss black and diamond groove. The technical specification of the rims meets all the manufacturing recommendations. Look how it looks in motion. It's really cool, isn't it? The wheels attract attention and transform the image of the car. It looks immediately more expensive. According to the BMW owners, the rear bumper diffuser doesn't match the dynamics of this car. It looks boring, nothing special, just like everybody else has. And the rear diffuser by Larte Design looks more powerful and dynamic with its vertical muffler tips and additional brake lights. Double brake lights look spectacular. They are connected to the main light, work together with the car optics and help to keep the distance on the road. The important thing to note that this powerful rear diffuser is installed instead of the original rear diffuser on the same mounting places. And also parking sensors are on the original places, so everything will work properly. If your car has a tow bar, it's also not a problem. We have provided a special place for it on the diffuser. Look at the stock car. The additional brake lights look advantageous and the muffler tips add more aggression, so it's a far cry from the stock car. In our Larte Performance body kit, we have 2 spoilers. For the spoiler on the trunk lid, we have kept the original BMW shape, but just made it from carbon fiber. And for the roof spoiler, we created a special design which reflects the style of the BMW with its lines. Both spoilers are installed with the help of the structural sealant, and one more interesting fact that the spoilers as well as the whole body kit were tested in Germany on the automobile testing track at 300 km/h and performed very well. They have passed all the tests at the German TÜV certification authority, just like all the other parts of the Larte performance body kit. Now, when looking at this project, you can see with your own eyes how the design of the crossover with Larte performance kit corresponds to the sport character of the BMW X6. When you buy a car, you can make it not only a pleasure to drive it, taking advantage of the technical characteristics, but also to enjoy its visual appearance every day. Each detail of the kit can be installed separately from the others. You choose the image of your BMW X6. This car has glossy carbon fiber on it. Look how it blends beautifully with the body color. And now our Larte performance project for the BMW X5 M competition with matte carbon fiber. Take a look at the variants of the cars with body-colored kit. Stylish and concise variant. And here is the contrast combination of the car with the kit parts from basalt, painted in black gloss. Well, and the most daring variant with the bright wrapping the parts are covered with. Do you want to become the designer of your car? Write to us and we will discuss all the available options. And also, we will take care about the custom duties and delivery, and will make you the owner of an exclusive BMW X6. Our designers will make a special project for your car, and we will help you to draw it as the way you imagine it yourself, and you will like it even more. Let's bring all your ideas to life together. Follow us on Instagram and YouTube. Write comments. Your opinion is really important for us. So thanks a lot for your attention and have a nice day, Larte Design team.